In this video, we're talking about how to fix broken sprinkler hose. Make sure before you work on this that the sprinkler hose is reasonably dry and also needs to stay dry to make the glue/silicone set for about 24 hours. So you need to deactivate the sprinkler for that time frame, which is discussed in the video about how to deactivate the sprinkler for winter. That the water is coming on too strong after a while, so I will turn the water off and put some glue sealant in there to fix it up further. So now you can see I put some tape on here to glue with the sealant right around there. So I use the sealant and a bit of tape, leave the tape open and put the sealant in here. That's a bit hard with just one hand, but you can see, put the sealant on top of it, just like that. And then close the tape. For that I need two hands. Closed, put some more tape over it to secure it. So a bit more tape on top of it, and that needs to dry for another 24 hours, and that will fix the problem.